Gibson. Hi, my name is Gibson, and today I'm going to be showing you 10 super cool things we could do with this remote control car. So the first thing is see if it could jump over a giant sand rat. Okay. This is part of the ramp. Second part of the ramp. And now we're gonna test it. I know you guys can't really see it. Want me to show you a closer look? I'm gonna show them a closer look. Right there. See it? Okay, we're gonna be putting the car on. Okay, let's see if it can do this. See if it can do it. Oh my God, it didn't. It just drive over the thing. Okay, it's time for the next part. Number 2. Okay, number 2. We're gonna be going else, so I can show you something. I'm sorry. The second cool thing we're going to be seeing if it could drive over this. If it could drive over this. I know it might not work because okay. That we're not counting. Oh, and I forgot to tell you something. So, we're going to be seeing which of more we're going to make. So, if we make like more of ones it could do, thumbs up, it's going to win. But if we can't, if we make more of the things it can't do, thumbs down is going to win. And we want thumbs up to win. And it was already 1 against 1. Now we're gonna try and if we can drive up this way. Please work, please work. No! God.
Why not drive down?
Then that won't be super cool. And I was saying that won't be super cool to my mommy saying, why not drive down? Now we're going to see if we can make it in the goal. Please work. And that was already 2 thumbs up. Oh my God. I'm 2 thumbs down. Oh my God. Please work this. Please work this time. Please, Jeffrey.
Uh-oh. Let's tell everybody to...
No.
You're gonna need to recharge the car.
Guys, the car is broken, so I'm going to be showing you something else. I mean, the car needs to charge. Could you hold it, Mommy? No! I'm going to be showing them something else. So, the car is charging right now. So right now I'm going to show you something else we got today. dinosaurs. And the dinosaurs make sound when you see. So I'm pressing the channel and it's gonna make sound. So right now we're gonna play dinos. We're going inside. Playing dinos. Okay, so I'm going inside. Okay. We're gonna have this guy, and then these guys ready for battle. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then, this guy's gonna be the king. This guy is because he's the coolest. And then, so, he's going to be the king of them. He's going to be the king of them. And their power-up is Pokeball. So their power-up is a Pokeball.
If you want to see what happens next, tune into the next video. Like and subscribe.